students, I am Deepak sir, and today we have to study standard 5th maths. Okay. In previous lecture we discussed about the Roman numerals, also the conversion of units, and today we have to start our first chapter, the fish tail. So students, you can open page number first, the fish tail. Open your book, page number first. I can read, you can listen carefully. A fish tail. A fish tail. Tail means stories, about story. Okay? I can read. Deep under the sea. Sea means a big lake. See, you know the sea. Okay? A deep under the sea. See the lovely colorful fishes. Fish. See the lovely colorful fish. In the sea, we can see the different types of fishes. Their colors are different, their size are different. Swimming peacefully. Swimming peacefully means relax, freely. They can swim in the sea peacefully. Means relaxedly they can swim in the sea. The special poem in 3 lines. This is that 3 lines poem. That poem is called as haiku. Haiku is a Japanese word. Such poems about nature are popular in Japan. This poem is popular in Japan. Here is another haiku. The lake. Calm. Calm means silent. Smooth. Still means stable. A fish jumps up and repels, shake the lake. Repel, shake the lake means wave from the lake. Do you know any poem about fish? Yes, we know the poem, famous poem about fish. Which one? Machli Jal Ki Rani Hai. Okay, we know na? Okay. Anyone another poem you know? You can write down in your notebook. Okay. Next, here are some drawings made by children. See these drawings. Okay. Navyata, class first. This is second. Maya, class 4. They can draw here fish pictures, drawing. Okay. When you think of fishes, what shapes come to your mind? First of all, tell me the names of shapes. Okay. Which shapes we know? We know many shapes. Okay. This one is triangle. You know, these are basic shapes. This one is square. This one is a rectangle. This one is circle. This one is oval. Okay. These are basic shapes we know. Okay. So when you think of fish, what shapes come to your mind? When we have to draw a picture of shape on the paper, which shapes comes in your mind? These shapes we can use for that drawing, for drawing the fish picture. Okay, triangle, oval, square also we can use in that picture of fish. Rectangle also we can use. Circle we can use. Okay. Next, try to use a square and triangle to draw a fish. We can try. Okay, which shapes we can use? Square and a triangle. Square means this one, and triangle. We can use this and draw a fish. See, this is a square. Okay, and we can draw triangle. Okay, like that you can draw also. Like that you can also draw. Okay. In your home you can try many by using shapes. You can try many drawing fishes. Okay. Page number 2. Open page number 2. I can read and you can listen carefully. Look for fish design around you on cloth, in paintings, on the mat, etc. Okay, you also find in your home, okay, many different paintings in your home. You can find and make the list. Next, Min means a fish, and Minakshi is a girl whose eyes look like a fish. Can you think of someone who has such eyes? Anyone you know? You can write their names, okay, in your notebook. Next question. Draw a face with fish eyes. Here, see this book. In that they can give us one girl and see their eye. This is like a fish. So in your notebook you can draw faces, and in that faces you can draw eyes like a fish eye. Okay. Fishes can have very different sizes. The smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. The smallest fishes, means baby fishes, is 1 centimeter long. How long is the biggest fish? Can you imagine? Yes, we can imagine. It is about 10 meter or 15 meter, 18 meter, 20 meter long fishes we can see. On the Discovery Channel we see different fishes, big fishes, small fishes. Okay, these are near about 15 meter long, 18 meter long. Okay, how many times longer a big fish than the smallest fish? See, here the conversion we can use here. I can rub this. The smallest fish is about The smallest piece is about 1 centimeter long. This is 1 centimeter long, and the big fish is about 18 meter long. Is about 18 meter. This is centimeter and this is meter. So this is meter. So you can convert in centimeter. Let's see. 1 meter is equals to how many centimeter? In previous lecture we discussed about this conversion. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So here the big fishes are 18 meter long. So 18 meter is equals to how many centimeters? 18 multiplied by 100. 18 multiplied by 100 means 18 ones are 18 and write 2 zeros. Means 1800 centimeter. Means the big fishes have 1800 centimeter long. Okay. Next, see, I can read. A big fish is a whale shark. They can give us one picture here. Okay, that is a big fish. This is called as whale shark. It is actually not a whale, but a big fish. Whales are different from fish. Whales are also fish, but they have some difference between fish and whale. Whales breathe like we do through their noses, but fish have no noses and they take in water, not air. Whales give birth to babies. Directly they can give birth. Okay, but fish lay eggs. The whale shark fish look big and dangerous, but is quite harmless. Means it is not dangerous for human. It does not attack on humans. One whale shark was as long as 18 meter. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size standing one on top of the another. And guess what is the weightage? Well, much more than weight. 12 of together weight. Its weight was about 16,000 kg. The weight of that whale is 16,000 kg. See page number 3. I can read that questions. About how many kilometers do you weigh? About how many kilograms? Sorry. How many kilograms do you weigh? See. In general, the students minimum 30 kg. One student weight of one student is about 30 kg. The weight of one student is about 30 kg. Okay. And here second question. So 12 children like you put together will weigh about. Means when we can take 12 children here. The weight of one student is children and student are same. But one student of 30 kg. So we can take 12 children. So weight of 12 children or students is equal to, how to find this weight? By using multiplication. Okay, one student's weight is 30 kg. How to find 12 students weight? So you can multiply 30 multiplied by 12. Okay, when we have to find this multiplication, we will get the weight of 12 students. Okay, how to multiply easily? See, how to multiply easily. You know the 12 table. Okay, we can say 12 table up to 3. See, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. So write here 36 and write this 0 here. Means your multiplication is 360 kg. Kg means kilogram. The weight of 12 student is 360 kg. Okay. See next question about how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children. Okay, like you put together. See, one shark. One shark weight is 16,000. One shark weight is 16,000 and 12 students weight is 360. So when we have to add that last question about how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children like to put together. So for finding that last one answer, what we do? We have to minus these two, means 16,000 minus 360. Okay, when we have to minus these two numbers, then we will get that answer of that last question. Okay, this subtraction you can do in your notebook and write answer. Okay, next point, the fish tail. Okay, see, they can use us here fishes. Okay, I can read. To see the difference between the whales and the fish, look carefully at their tails. Can you see that? The fish tail stands flat along its body, but the tail of the whale almost looks like two legs. Can you spot the fish in the picture? See, these black colors, they are whales and this one is fish. Okay, see this their tails that look like legs. Okay, and these are flat. Okay, so this one is fish and these are whales. Okay, school of fish. School of fish. Next point, fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups called school of fish. Okay, you can see in this, on the Discovery Channel, many videos related to fish. Okay, in that we can see the small fishes can move, can swim. Okay, in groups, but the big fishes can swim separately. Okay, so in their school they feel safe from the bigger fishes. Why? Because the bigger fishes can eat that small fishes, so they can swim in groups. Do you feel safe in your school? Yes, we can feel safe in our school. Okay, open page number 4. Here they can use us different fishes, name of fishes. Okay, first I can read page number 4. to scare away the big fishes. Scare away means frightened. Scare means frightened. To scare away the big fish, some small fishes drink up a lot of water, swell up and look big. Here they can draw here some fishes pictures. Okay, see this fish, first fish. Okay, when the big fish attack on the small fish, what they can do? They can drink lots of water. They can drink. See, they can drink lots of water and swell up and look big. They can look big. Okay. See this. This one is small. Okay. Why? Because they can drink a little water. Here they can drink much water, and here they can drink too much water here. So they can look big. Okay. Next point. Jinsi used these shapes to make drawing of fish. Now you also use some shapes to draw the different sea animals shown below. Okay, in your home you can try this one. Why? You can use different shapes. Here they can use us different shapes. Okay, use this and draw the sea animals. Okay. Here they can show here some pictures about sea animals. Okay, I can read that names: sea urchin, lobster, eel, red snapper. Page number 5. Octopus, clam, parrotfish, prawn, jellyfish, cuttlefish, squid, crab, and silver prongfish. These are different sea animals. This one is octopus. This is clam. Parrotfish, prawn, cuttlefish, jellyfish, squid, crab, and silver concrete. Okay, so you can use that shapes and draw different sea animals. Okay, which of these sea animals have you seen before? Okay, in TV, in mobile. Okay, which you can see. Okay. You can tick that or write their names in your notebook. Okay, we can see that last para. Fishermen in their boats. How many of you seen the sea? Where did you see it? Did you see in it a movie or for real? How deep do you think the sea could be? Find out. Do you know how to swim? Would you be scared to high sea waves? These are questions. Okay, at back page also there are 2 questions. Okay, these from first page to 5th page. Any questions are there, you can write in your notebook and write their answers. Okay, so thank you students.